Welcome to Highway Legends. Today we're turning our attention to one of the hottest compact crossovers in the market, the new 2026 Maruti Suzuki Franx. Known for its stylish design and efficient performance, the Franx has quickly become a favorite among urban drivers. The 2026 model brings smarter updates and refined engineering, making it an even stronger contender. Let's dive into what's new and why the latest Franx stands out. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Franx arrives with a sharper, more aerodynamic look. The front fascia now features a wider grille and sleeker LED headlamps that enhance its sporty personality. Body sculpting has been refined for a smoother profile, and the new dual-tone alloy options add a premium touch. With updated color choices and more expressive styling, the Franx blends modern city appeal with a youthful edge. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, Maruti Suzuki continues with its efficient powertrains, the 1.2-liter dual-jet petrol and the 1.0-liter booster-jet turbo for those wanting more punch. Both engines deliver improved tuning for better responsiveness and fuel economy. The 2026 model offers smoother AMT and 6-speed automatic options, while the chassis has been tweaked for enhanced stability and comfort. Safety and technology. Inside, the Franx gets a refreshed infotainment interface with a larger touchscreen, wireless smartphone connectivity, and improved voice commands. Suzuki's safety suite now includes enhanced camera support, lane alert features, and a more intuitive driver assist layout. Higher trims add a 360-degree camera and upgraded sound system for a richer driving experience. Conclusion. The 2026 Maruti Suzuki Franx continues to shine with its smart design, efficient performance, and thoughtful upgrades. Whether you're navigating tight city roads or cruising on the highway, the new Franx delivers confidence and style. Stay tuned for more reviews and first looks at the cars shaping tomorrow's roads.